Question 1. What does www stand for in a website address?
B.
B. World Wide Web.
Answer B.
tama.
World Wide Web. Question 2. What does AM stand for?
Ano? For letter A.
Huh?
Anti-meridian.
Answer A. Antemeridian.
Diba?
Question 3. What does PM stand for?
Yan. PM.
A.
Letter A. Post-meridian.
Answer A. Post-meridian. Question 4. What does AD stand for on a calendar?
Ano?
Age of discovery.
After death.
Answer B.
Ay?
Anno Domini.
Ano yung ano
Domini?
doon?
Question 5. What does BC stand for in terms of
Wala,
history?
bakit kasi ano?
Yan. BC. Before
Before
Christ.
civilization.
Before Christ. A.
Before civilization.
Answer
Yeah.
A. Before Christ.
Ay, before Christ.
Question 6. What is the full form of
Department of
DNA?
Alam ni Mama yan. Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Answer A. Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Letter A. Diba?